Hi, I'm Kevin Harrington, an original shark from the hit TV show Shark Tank. I'm here with my friend Lori Taylor. Lori, how you doing today?
Good to see you.
Okay, great. You know, as a shark, I love new and exciting ideas. And Lori is the founder of a company called TruDog. And TruDog is changing the face of the entire dental business for dogs, right?
Yeah.
The dental health of dogs,
Yes.
right? Tell me about it.
And it sounds a little crazy. We're sitting here talking about dental health for dogs because who knew, right? I mean,
Right.
people think about it, but like, what are you talking about? And what's real interesting is that the statistics speak for themselves. 3 out of 4 dogs have dental disease by age 3.
Wow.
And by age 8, it's irreversible.
Wow,
Right?
I had no idea.
Yeah, and even Dr. Oz had this on his show and referred to it with Dr. Becker, who is a very big veterinarian out there, and they were talking about how important oral care is. And every vet out there agrees on one thing, that you have to do daily dental care at home. Because it's no different. I mean, can you imagine going...
Same as humans, right?
Right, you don't go to the dentist twice a year, and I mean, I don't think your wife would appreciate that,
Right.
and then not take care of your teeth in between.
Yeah.
But yet that's what we're doing to our dogs, on top of the fact that we're feeding them highly processed food.
Yeah.
So it's like, without going into what brand and this brand, all you need to know is if it's commercial kibble, it's cooked.
Okay.
It's cooked, right?
Yeah.
So at the end of the day, there's not a whole lot of nutrition going into the body, and there's a lot of sugar and gluten and things like that on their teeth that create these pockets, just
Kinda
like
gets
for
gummed
humans.
up, you know, yeah.
Yep. And the number one sign, do you know what the number one sign of dental disease is for dogs?
No.
Stinky breath.
Wow.
So if your
okay.
dog has bad breath, he's actually trying to tell you something, and it is the number one sign of gum disease for dogs. So they've done a study at Purdue with 60,000 dogs, and just like with humans, dental problems can lead to heart problems, and all it does is reduce your dog's immune system, makes it weaker, and then it becomes more susceptible. So they actually have studies out there that just by taking care of your dog's teeth every day,
Wow.
you can extend their life by 2.5 to 3 years, and there's lots of supporting studies out there.
TruDog is addressing this problem. You've got products
Yes.
in the market now.
Yes, we have several products. Our number one selling product is Spray Me. And basically all you do is reverse your dog's bad breath in 15 seconds or less. You just lift their lips, spray, no toothbrush required. There's an enzyme that interacts with the saliva in their mouth, and that's what helps clean their teeth. And our results have been tremendous. We've sold over 200,000 bottles of dental spray, and we have 5-star reviews all over the place.
That's amazing.
Plus we have a 60-day money-back guarantee, so I'm not really sure what there is to risk, right?
Well, this is a great invention, and TruDog, you're at the forefront of dental health for dogs. Hey, it's been great spending a few minutes with you here today.
Thank you, Kevin.
Good. Thank you.
Did you know 3 out of 4 dogs will get gum disease in their lifetime, according to the American Animal Health Association? What's even scarier, by age 3, over 80% of dogs already have gum disease, again, according to the American Animal Health Association. And here's why that matters. By age 8, it's irreversible. There's no going back. Yet the good news is, when you're proactive, this can be prevented. And that's why I created this free presentation, to share an incredible revolutionary solution so you can finally give your dog the daily dental care he deserves in just a few seconds each day for a fraction of the cost of a dental cleaning. The problem is, most people think stinky dog breath is just that, stinky. Yet I'm here to tell you it's a sign of something far more dangerous, gum disease. And while your dog's teeth may not look like this, there's good chances that there are parts of his teeth that are decayed. A scary fact, your dog's bad breath is one of the only signs they give you to tell you something isn't right. In fact, the number one sign of gum disease, according to the American Veterinary Dental College, is bad breath. A very scary fact, gum disease for dogs, like people, has been linked to heart disease by several clinical studies. And it works like this. You see, tartar buildup for dogs, just like humans, is bad. As you can see here on the left, you see a healthy gum. And over on the right, you see that pocket? That's because the plaque and the tartar has come in and built up, and it creates pockets between the teeth. When the surface of the gum is weakened, it becomes compromised. And those pockets that I showed you before, they open the door for bacteria to enter your dog's bloodstream. And if your pup's immune system doesn't kill off this bacteria in his mouth, it then begins to circulate in his blood, giving it the chance to reach his heart and infect it. This link between dental and heart disease was recently discovered in a study conducted by Dr. Glickman at Purdue University. Testing 60,000 dogs with some stage of periodontal disease, he said this: gum disease can lead to heart disease. Our data shows a clear statistical link between gum disease and heart disease in dogs. For many candidates for heart disease, you're not talking about a single cause, but it clearly speaks to more emphasis on dental care. The bottom line, gum disease can be avoided simply by taking care of your dog's teeth daily. Here's what Dr. Clark Fobian, the president of the AVMA, had to say, which I thought was brilliant. Good dental hygiene at home is the most cost-effective way to keep your pets pain-free. And he makes a really good point. He says it's something you do every morning, or you should be doing, part of your own daily routine, brushing your teeth. And while most people take care of their own mouths, they often forget that they also should take care of their pets' teeth through a regular dental health regimen. One of the most common problems veterinarians see in pets is dental disease, and unfortunately, these issues can get really serious if untreated. I remind pet owners that an untreated dental infection can spread to the heart, kidneys, and other organs and suddenly become life-threatening. Practicing good dental hygiene at home, in addition to regular dental cleanings by your veterinarian, is the most efficient and cost-effective way to keep your pets healthy, comfortable, and pain-free. It really makes sense when you think about it, doesn't it? Can you imagine only brushing your teeth at the dentist? So what if you could take care of your dog's teeth with just the pump of a spray? That's right, for just a few dollars each month, no toothbrush required, you can give your dog not only the gift of lickable, kissable breath, but also a new lease on life. And while doing all that, you get to keep their gums healthier too. The truth is, you can take control of your dog's dental care right now by using TruDog's innovative Spray Me. It's made in the United States, it's veterinary approved, and it's made from 100% made from all natural ingredients. Finally, a 4-in-1 spray to keep the doctor away solution. Number 1, it's very easy to apply directly to the teeth and gums to help control tartar. Number 2, if you use Spray Me every day, you will also help to freshen their bad breath instantly, by the way. You'll be able to notice a difference right away, and this will also help control the bacteria. When used properly, improvement can be seen as little of between 3 and 8 weeks. Look at this picture before and this picture after. Now, the third thing it does is helps your gums get healthy, which we've talked about before, and it means that they are going to look and smell fresh all day. So that's the great news. You get your teeth smelling clean, you get their breath smelling better, and their gums are going to be healthy. They're going to be less red. You are going to notice a visible difference. The last thing is, a Spray Me is also designed to help boost a healthy immune system with some of the ingredients that we have in our product, which we'll talk about here in a minute. All of this together promotes the reduction of bacteria and free radicals throughout the mouth and body. Right here you see a picture is actually someone in my office with his dog Jax, showing how easy it is. You just pull up their upper lip and use a spray it on there, and it goes into the mouth, and then it works with your dog's saliva to get to all the teeth and in their gums. And it's just a really, really easy way to keep your dog's teeth clean every day. It simply doesn't get any easier than this, in my opinion. The early response to TruDog Spray Me has been extraordinary. I knew people were going to love it, but I didn't know they were going to love it this much. Here's just a few of the hundreds of comments I've received in the last 3 days. Dave Levinsky from New York said, "My dog's breath stinks. It's almost embarrassing. I heard there's something you can put in their water that's supposed to help, but I just didn't feel good about it for some reason. Brushing the teeth was too messy. This wasn't perfect at first because my dog wasn't super pumped. Sorry, I couldn't help myself." I love people when they're funny in their reviews. Anyway, the dog wasn't super pumped to have this sprayed into his mouth, but we stuck with it. In just a few days, he's relaxed, and it seems to be working. My friend has a rescue dog she rescued with horrible dental issues, and they removed 7 of her teeth. I never want this to happen to my dog. So far, so good right now. His breath definitely smells better. And Cheryl M. from Ohio says, "Almost all the tartar on my French Bulldog's 2 front teeth, 2 each side, has disappeared. Simply amazing. What a difference in his breath." And Chris Clausen from Ohio says, "This really works. The dog's teeth we've used The dog's teeth we have used TruDog spray with have improved significantly. Both he, our vet, and myself are all pleased and will recommend this product to all dog owners. Thanks, Chris. I really appreciate it. Maria Russo says, wow, clean minty breath. I only use this item twice so far, so I cannot say how well it does work with removing tartar and plaque yet, but it does make my Cocker Spaniel's breath smell minty fresh, and he seems to like it. Yay! No more doggy, fish-smelling breath. I'm trying their other products too, but so far very pleased. Now here's the thing with Spray Me that makes it unique. It's made in the USA with 6 premium and very powerful all-natural ingredients. Spray Me is one of the most advanced all-natural veterinary created formulas on the market today. For an example, we start with our grapeseed extract, which helps prevent dental plaque, helps mitigate oral and gum disease, and contains potent antioxidant properties. Number 2, we have our grapefruit seed extract. This is very high in vitamin C, and what it does is helps alkalize their body fluids, which reduces periodontal inflammation and throughout their body. This detoxifies, enhances, and supports immune function. Number 3, peppermint oil. This is a very potent antiseptic properties. That's what it has, very potent antiseptic properties. And it helps to battle bad breath bacteria. It also contains omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin A. So it's a really good oil for your dog to have in his body altogether. Now we also have rosemary oil, which is known to be a natural astringent and antibacterial property filled oil. It helps to prevent plaque from adhering to their teeth, and it also has a natural enzyme in it to help fight bad breath. This is a really powerful ingredient. And our thyme oil is very, very impressive. It helps to control the pathogenic organisms responsible for tooth decay, gingivitis, and bad breath that live in your dog's mouth. And our neem oil, that helps prevent the bacteria from adhering to the teeth so the plaque doesn't form. And that will help prevent and reverse gum disease. And it also has a natural breath freshener in it with antibacterial properties. All of these ingredients were packed together to form a powerful punch in the fight against stinky, bad doggy breath. The good news for you today is I need your help to help me get the word out, so people can find out about this amazing product. This means I'm going to put my money where my mouth is to give you an irresistible offer, so there's no way you won't at least give your dog the chance for a much cleaner, healthier mouth with this risk-free offer I'm going to give you today. So for a strictly limited time, you can grab your bottle of Spray Me for less than 30 cents per day. Plus, we're going to give you a $20 gift card to use on future orders at our online store, where you can purchase our treats, which are amazing. They're considered a super treat. You can use them with the dental spray to help introduce it to your dogs. We have a wonderful freeze-dried dog food. We have a joint supplement that's phenomenal. I mean, I could go on and on, but at the end of the day, we are going to give you a $20 gift card so you can go and try some of our other amazing products. I just ask for one thing in return. If you love this as much as I know you will, you'll howl at the moon. You'll tweet it, you'll Facebook it, you'll call your friends, you'll email your friends, and tell them TruDog Spray Me is the real deal. Not only does the spray work, but the company really cares. And if you have any questions or any issues or need any help getting your dog to take part in this daily regimen for their teeth, then we are here to help you. In return, I will pay you $10 for each friend you refer to us. And if you think about it, that means you may never have to pay full price for a bottle ever again. This is a really good deal. So if you have any friends and family to be interested, you just have to send them the referral link that we send to you after the purchase, and you will get $10 paid to you, not a credit to our store, $10 paid to you for each friend you refer to us. If you want peace of mind of keeping your dog's gums and heart healthy, and you want your best friend to have lickable, kissable breath, then just click the orange Rush My Order button below, risk-free. That's right, I'm so confident Spray Me will work for you, I offer you this. If you don't see a massive improvement in your dog's breath in the next 60 days, and trust me, it's going to be a lot sooner than that, but you have a full 60 days to decide, I don't like it, you get your money back, guaranteed. 100% of your money gets returned to you, guaranteed, if your dog does not like this for any reason. Just call us and we'll refund you the full purchase price. No questions, no hassles, because we want you to be happy. And the bottom line is super, super simple. If you don't do something about your dog's stinky breath now, it's not going to fix itself later. And it really didn't have to be this way. Like, this is not a hard thing to get in front of. TruDog Spray Me truly gives you the best, easiest solution to give your best friend the best chance he deserves to live a longer and healthier life. Think about it. Imagine your dog giving you a big, loving kiss you actually can enjoy for once, while knowing you're protecting her health at the very same time. I mean, how does it get any better than that? All you need to do is click the Rush My Order button below, and for less than 30 cents per day, you'll be on your way to having a healthier and happier dog. Remember, don't just add years to your dog's life. Add life to your dog's years, which is exactly what you do when you grab your bottle of TruDog Spray Me, risk-free, backed by a 60-day money-back guarantee. Either you're satisfied or you get your money back. So please give TruDog a try today and just click on the button below to get the very best deal you can for your dog.